Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday, September 10th. I hope everybody's doing great. We didn't see any kids yesterday, so we're really looking forward to seeing everyone today. We're getting really, really good at our cells, our organelles, our plant versus animals. Yesterday, you did an interactivity, and so we're getting really, really good at our organelles. The organelle we're going to focus on today is the cell membrane. As you can see on the screen, there's a video, homeostasis, and you're probably thinking to yourself, what does that have to do with the cell membrane? That has everything to do with the cell membrane. Remember the function of the cell membrane, it controls what comes in and out of the cell. Remember homeostasis is that balance, that internal balance that everything likes to have. So if you let too much of things in and you let too many things out, we're not going to really have a good cellular balance. So today we're going to focus and work on that. As you can see up here is the video that you're going to get first prior to watching the video. So you're going to watch the video and work on the worksheet at the same time. As you can see, it's in Cami. Please remember to increase your font and maybe change your font color. That really helps us with grading. So you're going to grab that out right there and you're going to watch the video. Once you're done with the video, we're going to do something new. Located below on the page are 3 discussion questions. You are responsible for answering 2. So you're going to answer 2 of the 3 discussion questions. And once those are done and submitted, you're going to go back and you're going to kindly reply to somebody else's. You are going to state why you agree with them or why you disagree with them, but you always have to put evidence in why you disagree. You can't just say, I think you're wrong. You have to state a reason why, kindly state a reason, whether you agree with them or you disagree with them, and you give evidence. You can use any of the past evidence that we've been working on. We worked on the gizmo, we worked on Kessler Plant and Animal. You have your e-textbook, anywhere that you would like to look. Okay, that is for today. But tomorrow, we're going to be doing an in-class lab. If you would like to look at that in-class lab, have I attached it? I hope I have. You can see it's right here. You're going to get a copy of the document. We're just going to be getting it ready. You can do this tomorrow, and there will be a video on this in case you don't get the opportunity to do it. But we are going to be soaking carrots once in salt and once in plain water. So if you would like to do that before tomorrow, you get a better outcome on the experiment. As you can see, you're going to let them wait about 30 minutes, but if you can soak those carrots for overnight, you'll get an even better outcome. So you can use carrots. You can also use celery with this. If you don't have it, that's absolutely okay. Miss Love and myself will be showing the our video online that happens. That's just a little preview to tomorrow. If you would like to go ahead and look, and I'm going to have to make sure I publish that page in time. So that's what's going on for today. Remember, you need to answer 2 out of the 3 discussion questions, and you have to reply 1 reply to somebody else's. Have a wonderful day.